So today we'll quickly be doing question 1 and 2 from atomic structure. So let's get into it. So it says carbon 12 and carbon 14 are isotopes. Which statement describes isotopes? So let's go over the definition of an isotope first. So it's atoms of the same element. Atoms of the same element with a different mass number, meaning they have a different number of neutrons. With different number of neutrons, and they have the same number of protons and electrons, but they only have different number of neutrons. So let's see which one matches up with this definition. So A says different number of electrons. That's not true. It's different number of neutrons. B says different number of protons, but we know that it's the same number of protons and electrons. It only has a different number of neutrons, which is C. So let's write down C. Now we look at the next one. It says the diagram shows us an atom of an element. What is the name of the element? So for this one, we can find out the number of electrons. We can count how many they are and then look at the periodic table. So let's count how many there are first. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I've got this periodic table from OCR. So we know there's 9 electrons. Now, if we look at this table over here, the atomic number over here tells you the number of protons and electrons. So we have 9 electrons. So we need to find out which one over here has 9. And we can see over here, 9 electrons is over here. So we know that this one is fluorine. Another way you could find this out is, look, in the outer shell, there's 7 electrons. As you can see, number of electrons in the outer shell, which is 7, is equal to the group number. So it's in group 7 as well. And anything else that could tell us? Yep, there's 2 shells, meaning it's in period 2. As you can see, period 1, which is hydrogen and helium, and in period 2, which is this one over here, and fluorine is there. So we know it's in period 2 because it has 2 shells, 1 shell, 2 shell. We know it's in group 7. Why? Because it has 7 electrons in the outer shell. And then we know it is fluorine. Why? Because it has 9 electrons altogether. And fluorine has atomic number of 9. Thank you for watching.